Good afternoon mga ka-PBH. I'm here at Cabangan, Zambales. Nag-outing kami ng family namin. May gusto akong gawin dito eh. Alam niyo na, we'll do plastic bottle hunting. Pero umpisa lang ito. Tomorrow will be the exciting one, ano, ng plastic bottle hunting. And I'll do some few plastic bottle hunting dito sa coastline. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Ayan, may nakita agad tayo. Ito. Look. Shoutout pala kay Brother Ray Ubando. Ang plastic bottle kasi is a monomaterial and highly recyclable. So kung makikita natin, if we will collect it and segregate it properly, pwede natin siya mapakinabangan pa. Hindi lang siya recyclable, ano, we can reuse it. We can reuse it. We can repurpose it. Pwedeng ganun, ano. For example, ng repurposing, yung ginagawa ng mga fisherman dito, no, yung plastic bottle, kino-convert nila into tabo. So, ginagamit nilang tabo, napapakinabangan din nila. So it's some kind of repurposing, ano. So yan, yung mga ganyang bagay, pwede natin gawin para makatulong tayo not to dispose sa landfill or sa environment or sa coastal line. Look, dami na kaagad dito pa lang. Di ako lumayo, pero dito pa lang ang dami ko na nakolekta. Another one. Short walk lang yung ginawa ko, pero nakapuno agad ako ng isang plastic bag. Grabe, ganyan nakaalala yung plastic pollution natin. So kailangan talaga maging aware lahat not to dispose sa environment, ano. So mari-recycle naman itong mga ito eh. So wag natin itapon. Let's collect. Then pag naipon natin, we can sell it to junk shops. At least maka-generate tayo ng konting pera, no? Out of trash. Sorry, I've been so busy with the past few weeks. Hindi ko nagawang makapag plastic bottle hunting. Busy sa work, sa personal na mga bagay. Look, dami. Oh. Yan, oh. For today, this is enough. Tomorrow will be another day for plastic bottle hunting. Another one. Okay guys, that's it for today. A short introduction for our family outing together with a few plastic bottle hunting. Short walk, pero ang dami ko nakolekta. Grabe, ganun kadumi yung ating coastal area. So kailangan regular nating linisin. And hindi lang yun eh, yung discipline ng pagtatapon talaga ng plastic bottles, yun dapat ang ano natin, ma-impart natin, especially sa mga bata. Kaya isasama ko yung mga kids tomorrow to do plastic bottle hunting para at early stage naintindihan nila yung gravity nung dumi ng kalikasan natin sa ngayon, para as they grow up, hindi na sila magtatapon ng plastic bottle kung saan saan. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you Lord for the safe trip kanina going here. This is Jun Balbin signing off. Thank you.